Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to bulk edit products and variants in Shopify, which will help save time and make managing your store much easier. First, log into Shopify. Once you're logged in, click on the Products section in the side menu. Now, to bulk edit products, click on the All Products tab. A list of all your products will appear. To select multiple products, check the boxes next to the products you want to edit. If you want to select all products on the page, click the box at the top to select all. After selecting the products, click the Bulk Edit button at the top. The bulk editor will open, where you can modify various fields like title, price, SKU, inventory, and more. For the selected products, in the bulk editor, you can add or remove columns based on the fields you want to modify. To add a new column, click Columns at the top and select the fields you want to include, such as variant price or inventory quantity. After making the changes, click Save in the top right corner to apply the updates to all the selected products. Now let's talk about editing variants. To bulk edit variants, go to the Products section and select the product that contains the variants you want to edit. Once you're on the product page, scroll down to the Variants section. In the bulk editor, you can modify multiple variant properties at once, such as prices, inventory levels, and other variant-specific information. Once you're done with the changes, don't forget to click Save. That's it. You've successfully bulk edited products and variants in Shopify, making it easier to manage your store. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps simplify your workflow in your Shopify store.